Hey, what's up? My name is Wes. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is a bit different than most videos because in today's video I simply just have one message, which is please do not binge watch these video lessons. So what do I mean with that? Well, what I mean is that I see a lot of people on my YouTube especially, they start watching one video, then they go to the next one and the next one all within the same day or a couple of days, which first of all, it means a lot to me. I think it's awesome that people want to watch all of my videos. I'm really happy about that, of course, but I don't think it's the right way of learning a new language. So what I really recommend you to do is to watch one video lesson, take what you've learned, so the words, the phrases, the grammar in that lesson, take it and try to internalize it to really understand it. And then once you're ready, for example, after a couple of days, then maybe watch the next lesson. So I really do not recommend you to watch multiple lessons on the same day or multiple lessons day after day. Now, of course, everybody's at a different level of Spanish, so maybe some things in my lessons already make sense to you. In that case, don't listen to what I'm saying. But in general, I think for like 90% of the people that watch my videos, I really recommend you to take it nice and slow. Language learning, just like anything good in this world, just takes time. So please, my message to you in this video is don't rush it. Take your time for it. Alright, that's it for this video. That's all I wanted to say. And while I still have you here, I just wanted to say a huge thank you for watching my videos. It really, really, really means the world to me. And I really, truly hope that you are getting a lot of value out of my lessons. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Adios.